for today's match. And the confidence that comes in for India winning today's match is because of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. The other batters who are coming after the test may not be as confident, but the confidence of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli will definitely rub into Yashasvi Jaiswal and Tilak Verma at 4. So the top 4 should do the job for India as batters. Others are there as backup, so that's okay. But I would, if you look at the entire series, because this entire series is a day-night series. I think next match is at Raipur and third at Vizag. So the way I look at it, Kuldeep Yadav should be your prime bowler. Lead bowler should be Kuldeep Yadav, and he would get the maximum wickets also in this series. That's my pick. And among the batters, I feel Quinton de Kock from South Africa cannot be ignored. But I still feel Rohit Sharma has the edge. The crowd support for Rohit and Virat will be pretty high in all the 3 venues. So that's why I said India does have an upper hand in this series. If not 3-0, at least 2-1. And I personally feel Rohit Sharma would be the pick of the batters. So for batting, I would pick Rohit Sharma as the best batter or the highest scorer in this series. And from bowling, I would pick Kuldeep Yadav as the one getting maximum wickets in this series. Though, of course, Arshdeep is there, probably will play all the 3 matches. And Tilak Verma also could contribute with the bat, provided he is given a free hand to say you're playing all the 3 matches. Not much of changes in this combination, unless there are injuries. So that's how it looks like to me. Ruturaj Gaikwad doesn't find favor because he's the 3rd opener now. And I wouldn't go with him. The only substitution I could see is Prasidh Krishna coming in for Nitish Kumar Reddy in case there is a requirement of an extra pacer or a 3rd genuine pacer. Otherwise, this combination by and large should work for all the 3 matches. So let's see. Match starting at 1:30. Yes, the second half there will be dew, so there will be a lot of issues there. But I would still say whether toss will not give too much of an